The weight density of a mud is given by y equals 20 plus 0.7 h, where y is in kn per cubic meter and h is in meters. Determine the pressure in kilopascal at a depth of 5 meters. Answer: y equals 20 plus 0.7 h. Pressure is equal to lower limit 0 to the upper limit h y dh. Integral 0 to the upper limit 5 of 20 plus 0.7 h dh is equal to 100.75 kilopascal. By calculator, is integral lower limit 0, the limit here is 0 to the upper limit 5 and close parenthesis 20 plus 0.7 h close open parenthesis equals 5. D is equal to 108.75 kilopascal.